I'll show you how you can buy Bitcoin with Moonpay. Now, the flowchart of it is pretty simple. You just have to visit Moonpay or the partner wallet app, select the cryptocurrency amount, enter your wallet address, and order the confirmation and tracking. That's the simple way of the flowchart, right? Now, if you want a more specific one, of course, you'll have to open the Moonpay app or a wallet that's partnered with Moonpay, and then just have to select the cryptocurrency and enter in the amount you want to buy in fiat or crypto. So you can see right now I have Bitcoin here pulled up, and I just have to enter in how much I want to buy. After that, you just have to enter in your wallet address and then click continue. Now, the wallet address can be whatever you want. Of course, you want it to be your personal wallet address, but if you're buying this for a friend or something else, of course, you'll have to enter in your wallet address or the subsequent friend wallet address, just like that. And then you can see I have the Moonpay account selected here as well. After that, just review the terms of use and exchange rate. Also, of course, I want to pay about this much of Bitcoins, about 0.4000 for 49 BTC. I just have to choose a payment method now, and then I have to deliver it to Moonpay. And you can see the total to pay is about 50 euros down there. And then just click on pay, and then that's it. You're done. After completing your order, you'll receive a confirmation via email along with a link to our order tracker for a real-time status update. That's it. You're done. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.